Top 5 Best LED Headlights. Number 5. Termitor 2024 upgraded 9005 HB3 and 9006 HB4. The Termitor 2024 upgraded 9005 HB3 and 9006 HB4 LED headlights are designed for those seeking a balance between performance and reliability. With an emphasis on upgraded technology, these headlights offer improved brightness and clarity compared to standard halogen bulbs. The plug-and-play installation ensures a hassle-free upgrade, and the durable construction ensures a longer lifespan for the LEDs. The 9005 and 9006 compatibility makes them suitable for a variety of vehicle models, providing versatility for users looking to enhance their lighting system. Upgrade to Termitor 2024 headlights for a more efficient and reliable lighting solution on the road. Coming in number 4. SEALIGHT Powersports 56,000 lumens Bright Adjustable. SEALIGHT Powersports 56,000 lumens Bright Adjustable LED headlights are engineered for those who demand high performance in various outdoor activities. With an impressive 56,000 lumens of brightness, these headlights are suitable for powersports applications such as off-roading, ATV riding, and motorcycles. The adjustable design allows users to customize the angle of the light beam, ensuring optimal illumination of the terrain ahead. The durable construction and IP67 waterproof rating make these headlights resistant to harsh weather conditions and off-road elements. Upgrade your powersports vehicle with SEALIGHT Powersports headlights for a brighter and more enjoyable outdoor adventure. Coming in number 3. Forenner upgraded 9005-9006 Combo Bulbs Kit. The Forenner upgraded 9005-9006 Combo Bulbs Kit is a comprehensive solution for those seeking improved lighting performance for their vehicles. Designed as a combo pack for both high and low beams, these bulbs provide a crisp and bright light output. The upgraded design ensures a longer lifespan and reduced energy consumption compared to traditional halogen bulbs. The plug-and-play installation makes it easy for users to replace their existing bulbs without the need for complicated wiring. Whether you're driving in urban areas or on dark highways, the Forenner upgraded Combo Bulbs Kit enhances visibility and ensures a safer driving experience. Coming in number 2. Auxbeam 5x7 and 7x6 inch LED headlights. Auxbeam's 5x7 and 7x6 inch LED headlights are a versatile and efficient lighting solution for various vehicles, including trucks and SUVs. These headlights deliver a powerful and focused beam with a combination of high and low beam options, ensuring optimal visibility in different driving conditions. The rugged aluminum housing provides durability and efficient heat dissipation, contributing to the longevity of the LEDs. The 5x7 and 7x6 inch size makes them compatible with a wide range of vehicles, and the easy installation process makes them a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with Auxbeam's reliable and high-performance LED headlights. Coming in number 1. Xprite 105-watt LED Wrangler headlights. The Xprite 105-watt LED Wrangler headlights are a top choice for Jeep Wrangler owners looking to upgrade their stock headlights. With a powerful 105-watt output, these headlights provide superior brightness and visibility on the road. The plug-and-play design makes installation hassle-free, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The headlights feature a distinctive appearance with a clear lens and a black housing, giving your Wrangler a modern and aggressive look. Whether you're driving on or off-road, the Xprite 105-watt LED Wrangler headlights offer reliable illumination for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience.